Welcome back to my course, Learning the Basics of Java. This is the first video I've done in 2021, and I'm going to tell you here about how to download the IntelliJ IDE for macOS. So let's get started. So go to jetbrains.com/idea and then click download. And you'll be greeted with the screen which offers you the ultimate or community versions of the IntelliJ IDE. And also, especially since the M1 chips for Mac are now available and Silicon chips, you can now choose whether you've got the Intel Macs or the Silicon Macs. Now I've got the Silicon one, so I choose the Silicon, and you'll be redirected to a page which lets you download the IntelliJ IDE. So I've already downloaded it, so I'll cancel that. And I'll open this. Let it open. Okay, so you drag that to applications, and that should now work. As you can see here, it's just transferring. Okay, so go to applications, we scroll down. IntelliJ IDE is here. Open. As you can see, it's really simple to download. Confirm that I've read it. Just read it, obviously, if you have to. Continue. Okay, send anonymous statistics. Okay, so now we're in the IntelliJ IDE and it's working. And we're ready to make Java applications on macOS. So, see you in the next lecture, and I hope that made sense.